Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can customize the move your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and tap on System right away. Now languages and the input, on-screen keyboard, and finally keyboard. Then go into Theme and tap on this plus sign, those are misclick under My Themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally tap on Done and click on the switcher next to gray borders to switch them on or off. Then choose Apply, and when I go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!